Hello and welcome to menoרות4u.com.
ELF electric fields from light systems. This is the light lamp. Next to the lamp, there is an ELF electric field. The ELF electric field level at the height of people's head is about 18 volt per meter. ELF electric field when the light is on and off. As you probably noticed, when the power is off, the E field level is much lower. This shows us that the field is caused by the electricity in the lamp.
להדליק. לכבות.
The ELF electric field is mostly coming from the wires and the metal parts of the lamp. The solution is to use light lamps which are as close as possible to the ceiling.
Thank you for watching and see you next time. תודה שצפיתם ולהתראות בפעם הבאה.